What is going on, guys? It is almost 10 a.m. on Saturday the 7th, and we are getting kind of a late start this morning because it snowed overnight. Can't really tell now, but we were waiting for it to warm up. It snowed a little bit yesterday as well, so just took our time getting ready this morning, let the track warm up so it wouldn't be too muddy or frozen really. But gonna be taking Olszewski here out to Thunder Valley today, but it's just gonna be, well, Tony's gonna come I think, but my dad's not coming up today. Just gonna be me and you guys on the GoPro. So still gonna do the day with DeeO, but we're probably not gonna have very much third-person footage or anything. And I know I keep talking about riding the 125 soon, but still not this weekend. It'll come out later, but the main focus of course is the 450. You guys know that's the bike that I enjoy. It's the bike that I'm going to be racing here in a few weeks, actually next week and further on. But we'll bust out the 125, but right now primary focus is the 450. So let's go ahead and grab some different gear, because I was going to wear my 7 stuff, but I think it's going to be a little, I don't know, I'm thinking it might be muddy. So I'm going to wear my FXR because it's a little better for cold weather, I guess. So grab that, and then we'll load up. Whoops, it's like kick stuff around here. We'll load up Olszewski. We are in the truck. It is 10:20. Authentic weather says global warming my ass. It's freezing out here at 35 degrees. I feel like that's pretty low. I think it's warmer than 35, but today it's just going to be me rolling up there. I think we're going to be meeting Tony there. Actually, I know we're going to be meeting Tony there, but my dad isn't coming up, so I'm still going to be doing a day with DeeO, but we're just going to be, it's going to be me and you guys on the GoPro. Maybe we'll get a little bit of third-person footage if Tony wants to get out and help us some, but last time we did that, we tore our ACL, so maybe not, but lots of GoPro footage and hopefully keep it entertaining for you guys. And then the plan is that tomorrow we're going to be going up to IMI, and my dad will be coming then. I just didn't want him to have to come up both days all the way up to Denver Saturday and Sunday and kill his whole weekend. Let him work on his Corvette, if you guys saw that from a few weeks ago. But tomorrow the plan is dad's going to come up, and then we'll do our normal day with DeeO. But today, just going to be you and me. So lots of FaceTime for us, but going to be a good time. So let's get on the road, get over to Thunder Valley, and keep our fingers crossed that the track is good. So really excited to ride today though. We had to make a stop for the essentials, some Cliff bars and water, and got some fuel for the bike too. I want to start running VP. I just haven't yet. I'm not really sure what it's going to take, where I can get it from, whatever. That's not for sure, but I've been kind of thinking about it, but it's really expensive. Anyway, got fuel for the bike, got fuel for the body. Now we're headed to Thunder. Doing well. How are you this morning? Good. Good. Right on. Yeah, thank you. All right, and here we are at beautiful Thunder Valley. Looks a little deep, as you probably saw in the background right now. The tractor actually is going by. He's prepping right now. So that's a good sign. If it was so deep that they couldn't get the tractors on it, then we'd be having an issue. But yeah, you can't really tell too much from just sitting here. Don't want to overanalyze it, but it looks like it's going to be some nice deep chocolate cake. But that's why we're on the 450. The 125 would make it about half a lap before it blew up on me under my fat self. But yeah, let's go ahead, get the bike unloaded, get changed out, and get to business.
Oh yeah, it's business time. It's business time.
Again, just let me know if you guys want help.
Yeah, we'll come talk to you.
All right, sounds good, guys.
Thank you.
Hey, Tony.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. What's up, dude? All right, they finished up the prep, and Taden just did a few laps on his 125, and he said the track is amazing. So, yeah, I'm really excited. Should be good. All the bikes are looking good out there. So, and we got Tony here now, so we just need to change out. It's gonna be good. All right, guys, we're all geared out now. I'm gonna go out and check it out. What's up? How stoked are you right now? So stoked. Hell yeah. Good call on coming out still. All right, out here at Thunder Valley. First lap, let's see what it's looking like. Just from this part already, I'm pretty excited about how the track's gonna be today. They're clearing some mud out of here, but it looks like the left side should be all right. We'll see how that shapes up through the day. And we got the drop off. It's a little slick right now, but not too muddy down here. That won't be an issue next lap. Let's take the first lap nice and easy here. Figure out wet spots and whatever. A little rutted, a little wet on that landing, but nothing too bad. So it's definitely a little wet. If the sun would stay out without the cloud cover, it would dry up real nice, but it's not like it's unrideable or anything. So very excited because I had the lowest of expectations coming into it. I would pop the whopper first lap, but I don't know what the landing looks like, and it could be a ruddy mess. So we're just going to take it easy the first lap. Should have hit it. Second lap, no problem. The big old sweeper here, long corner. I'm sure this one's going to get pretty nuts out here. Walter was over there, so we gave him a little show. All right, so not sure what the landing of this is looking like either. All right, well, there's your lap at Thunder. We got sideways coming off of that, boys. Little sketchy there, huh? Don't need that today. Second lap, 1%. Scared myself on this one last lap, so we're not gonna hit this quite yet. Let it dry up some, and then we'll send her, ideally. Woo, hello, bottom of the forks. People kept asking me how I like these 18 forks that I switch with Mike. I love them. That's the first time I've bottomed them, but I can sense stuff so much better
so much easier. Woo! All right, just finished our first ride. That was sick out there. Track's actually pretty good. It's a little wet in some spots you kind of got to avoid, but all in all, I'm really impressed with it, and gonna be a real good day out here.
No, it finally like broke loose. I'm happy I didn't bring the 85 today.
Yeah, no doubt. Tony high-sided on his first lap.
Yeah,
How was it?
Pretty impressive. It was pretty good, you know. It was just the typical high side looking goody.
So what Tony does best.
What I do best.
We noticed got a flat spot on the rim. That's a bummer, but maybe when I go to replace the rims, I'll go with black ones. But that's a bummer. That's how it goes.
You just taking photos of everyone today?
Yeah, just kind of cruise around.
Cool. Is there anywhere we can find your photos at?
Let me grab a business card.
Okay, awesome, yeah. Awesome, I appreciate it. I'm Daniel, by the way.
Dustin.
Dustin, nice to meet you. I'll follow you.
Okay.
Look good to me, man.
Yeah.
Looks like you got it handled.
Yeah, I just have to go up like straight up, got the straight cap in.
Yeah, I mean, you got to get as much power as you can up it on the 125, so.
Yes, I just go up and then slam.
Hell yeah, dude, that works. Looks good, you're killing it out there.
Thank you.
For sure, man. Another 10-minute moto. I hit the gym every day, but it's nothing like actually riding. I definitely do not push myself as hard in the gym as you do on the track. So even though I try and hit the gym every day, I'm not doing enough to keep myself good to go a bunch of laps, but solid laps, feeling good out there. Not like the fastest in the world, but consistent. Having a good time though, track is sweet. All right guys, we just did some laps. I'm sure my face is covered in dirt. Wearing me the heck out. I don't know how on earth I'm gonna be able to do a full moto, 2 full motos next weekend at the race. Because I am dying. Oh, I'm trying to push hard, so that's probably why. I could probably back it down a bit and ride some more laps, but I'm trying to put in some sprints now, but holy moly, it's working me. Good stuff though. All right, we're just chilling here on the starting line. I'm gonna do some mock starts just by myself and then try and spin some laps, but I haven't really done a lot of starts on the Honda yet, so just kind of mess with that, doing some heart rate monitor stuff, and yeah, just having a good time. Cracking my voice, no big deal. Make sure it's all clear. Got this rider, I got Tatum going by. right, Tony just went over the finish line, so we'll do our start behind Tony, run with him. That hurt a lot. Man, I took my bars right to the knee, through the knee guard. Oh, it snuck right in between the patella cover thing and the knee brace. I hit my knee right into the bars. Whew. Didn't hurt my ACL, that kind of pain. That was just pain in my, I don't know, like hitting pain, whatever. I can't even talk because that hurt so bad. Whew. Alright, still doing these starts, kind of struggling with it. I feel like I don't really dump the clutch enough. I'm kind of feathering it too much, so I'm taking a while to get going. I need to just drop it and get out of the gate. So just keep practicing that, where it won't matter if I start to wheelie, and just get the feel for how much I can push the Honda, how fast I can dump the clutch, and still be able to control it up the start line. So I think what I'm gonna do is do a start and then like 2 sprint laps. So like go through the finish once and then 1 more lap. Just do that. So I just told Tony I'm gonna do the start and then like 2 sprint laps. So I'll go around the track, hit the finish, and then do another lap. Try and do it as quick as I can, and yeah, have some hopefully good footage of quick laps, ideally. All right, here we go, start, and 2 laps, ideally. Scrub that. A little too hard. Who knew those ruts were there? Dang it. Alright. Those weren't good.
Arm pilots?
I didn't do very good.
Huh?
I was trying to do laps. I did 2 like sprint laps.
Oh yeah.
Just a lot of mistakes.
You feel pretty good?
What was that?
Is the knee feeling pretty good?
Yeah, like the ACL and stuff is alright. I went through a corner and the bar hit me like between the cover and the brace, hit me right in the kneecap. So that hurts, but nothing to do with my ACL.
Yeah. Well, at least that's a plus, man.
Yeah, right? Alright, so you guys probably only saw a few parts of that lap because I didn't pull off the laps like I wanted to. I had an issue that double before the uphill step up. I jumped it to the left. There were ruts I didn't know about. Got a little sketchy, but all in all, it wasn't a great lap. So gonna catch my breath and try and do another 2 sprint laps. Alright, so Tony and I are gonna do a little hound and hare or whatever. I'm gonna wait till he gets to the bottom of that second corner, so 1, 2, and then I'm gonna take off and try and catch him. So give him to almost where that Yamaha is there. Make sure no one's coming. bumpy down that hill. Take this outside. Miss some of these ruts. Ah, don't push it too wide. What am I doing? That was so ugly. That's alright, we're gaining on him some. That guy comes ripping, tearing me up. All right, be interesting to see what that lap is. Whew. That guy who passed me though, he's hauling. Definitely I give credit where credit is due. Chewed me up and spit me out. But those were better laps at least.
Alright guys, I cannot believe what I just saw with that. The lap that I thought was really bad where I made the mistakes, didn't even hit the step up, was actually faster, slightly faster, but it was faster than the lap that I was really excited about. I guess it just goes to show, you know, corner for dough, jump for show, whatever. Even though I hit all the jumps in the other lap, it wasn't as fast. I was pushing harder in the first lap. So I put those two on the screen so you could see them both side by side. They were both 2:18 and then change, you know, 2:18.5 or whatever. But pretty crazy. I can't believe it. That the lap I was like, oh, that was a terrible lap. I made so many mistakes on was actually faster than the lap that I was like, that was a great lap. But that's how it goes sometimes. So at least now I have baseline for room for improvement for pushing that one lap as fast as I can. I can see on here where I made mistakes, where I lost time, and where I actually made up time. So pretty crazy.
Ah, dang it. Whew. What a goon move. That was pretty sad.
Oh, back chilling in the pits. And that's why I don't park over here. It's really loud. I usually park over on the other side. But without my dad here, I'm not tempted to like hit the same jump over and over and hit a corner for video. So I've pretty much just been running laps. I don't want to say motos, but running back-to-back laps, and just trying to push through that, and I'm having a lot of fun. I'm feeling pretty good. Not like the fastest one here, never am, of course, but feeling pretty good. Hopefully get some good content for you guys. But turned out to be a really good day out here. So keep putting in some laps. It is almost 2 o'clock. Well, it's quarter till 1:46. But man, it's good out here. Track's sweet. I don't think they're going to do a midday re-prep or anything, and it doesn't need it anyway. If they did, I'd be kind of annoyed, but it's really good. And just hope you guys are getting some stuff that you're enjoying to see, and that's that. So we're gonna take a little break here for now.
Landed, blew my hand off the bars. Sketchy, sketchy. Maybe we should tone it back, huh? Did you see me hit the jump just now?
I wasn't paying a look.
I whipped it, and when I landed, I blew my hand off the bars. Like I landed, I was like, whew. Yeah. All right, I think we're done with laps for the day. I'm starting to get pretty tired, so I think I'm just gonna goof around some, throw some whips on the Whopper. The usual, of course, don't have my dad for third person, but see if I can do anything cool for you guys on the GoPro. But that was an ugly whip. I'm not getting the turn down that I want. Just feel kind of rigid, not really as flowy as I want to be. We'll give this another go though. Try to get a little sneak peek of that back fender. It wasn't really what I wanted, but no need pushing it, trying to do silly whips right now. Sorry, dude, I did not mean to hit it like that. I didn't mean to get so.
I hit that jump. I thought you were going to hit the outside, so I hit the inside. You came over.
Yeah, I was coming in the inside, dude, and I like didn't even grab the front brake. I just ran right into you. I'm sorry about that, man. He pulled on and passed me, and I was so tired. Like, I'm not even running hard laps. I was just going for a few laps at a time. I didn't even try to grab the front brake. He was in front of me, and I was just like, well, I'm just gonna fall over here, and I hit his back. Luckily, he's a good enough rider. He stayed up, and I didn't fall into him or anything. That was a sweet whip. But I felt really bad because I pretty much just T-boned him and ran right into the side of him. So yeah, I felt really bad about that. I'm glad he was okay with it. Jeez, I think I gotta get off the track here. Oh, it's Bronson. Woo! Woo! I didn't think he was gonna come. Nice. think that will do it for me today. Started to get a little sketchy out there a few times. We don't need to end up on the ground. Some good riding. And it is almost 2:30. We put in a solid day. I wasn't at the truck for very long. I was on the track a lot today. Actually, you know what? Let's put this up here. Check the hour meter. My zip tie broke on that. It's all right, easy fix. Check the hour meter, 8.6. We're still not even in double digits, but that was good.
And we are rolling out of Thunder Valley now. That was an epic day of riding. So much fun. We had Tony there, Jake, Griffin, met this guy Justin. Bronson showed up later. I didn't even get to talk to him, unfortunately, but Tayden we got to talk to at the start of the day. Whatever, it was a great day. So much fun out there. I'm so glad that we decided to go, since everyone was kind of nervous about how much rain and moisture and snow we had and how cold it was this morning. When I woke up this morning, it was 27 degrees, but 53 now, so it ended up being a gorgeous day out here. Felt like I put in a lot of laps, like I said, since I wasn't essentially showing off for the camera and wanting to do whips and hit corners and get third-person footage for you guys. I just was mostly doing laps, and yeah, I am definitely feeling it. Like my arms right here, every time I like move my arms up, they start to cramp up, and my hands are kind of cramped and stuff, but it just means it was a good day of riding, I think. But once I get home, I'll go through my footage and actually see how long I was actually on the bike for, because it was way more than I usually am, and I'll edit that in for you guys. But I'm going to head to a car wash and wash the bike up. We're going to be riding IMI tomorrow, but I would like to do an oil change and don't want to do that with a dirty bike. So wash the bike up, then get some food and get on home, change the oil, then eat, I guess. And the race tonight is on at 8, which is going to be the Mudder in Seattle. And obviously, by the time you guys see this, we're going to already know the results. But I think that's going to be pretty crazy, because it seems like the mud, rain, whatever. Obviously, getting very long-winded. But yeah, it was a really good day out there. I hope that we got some good footage and ran some fast laps, hopefully, and got a little bit more confidence going into the race next weekend. So I'll catch up with you guys at the car wash. All right, we're at the car wash now. It's already scraped off the most of the mud just off of the bike with a screwdriver. So should be pretty easy to clean it out. And just like that, we cleaned up the bike. Right when I was pulling in to unload, someone pulled up behind me, so then I felt kind of bad, so I rushed it. But got in, got out, got her all cleaned up. I had to cut that off real quick because I'm gonna go get food, and I got a little bit turned around. I wasn't sure where I needed to go, but hit a stoplight and was able to put it in my phone and find out where I need to go. So that's where we're headed now, is to go get some food at Chipotle. And we're just gonna stop at this light instead of running that yellow. We could have made it, why risk it? But yeah, so I got to the car wash and someone had pulled up right behind me, and so I didn't want to take too much time. So I didn't do the zip tie, and I was gonna take off the frame guards and wash under those and all that stuff, but really the main thing was I just wanted to get the underside of the bike clean so I can do an oil change and not have to worry about dirt clods falling down on me and stuff. I wasn't too crazy with it. I didn't scrub it down or anything, but it's looking pretty good. We got the SC1 on it, the clear coat, beautiful, smells great. So headed to Chipotle now, go get ourselves a burrito, and then head on home. I think we earned this today. All right, I will do both rices and both beans, and then I'll do extra barbacoa on that one. All right, great, thank you. Yeah, you too. All right, got our Chipotle, got an extra barbacoa burrito, got the bike looking real good. Got some tire marks. It's the first time I've had tire marks on the bike. I guess I was sending a little harder than usual. I even talked about the suspension today, but yeah, there we go. So now we're just going to head home and start the edit on this video. Oh, there we go. Start the edit on this video and watch the Supercross at 8 p.m. That was probably really shaky. I'm sorry, you guys. I was gonna use my stabilizer today, but the GoPro was just fighting me with it. I have Caleb sent me the adapter to use the GoPro, and I was going to use it, but it was just giving me fits, so I didn't. But that's gonna do it, you guys. So you will be seeing this Sunday night. Then Sunday I'm also going riding. Then I'll be editing Sunday night for that video from IMI. And then you guys will probably see that. I'll probably push it out a little bit. I don't want to put it up right on Monday, so maybe like Wednesday or something, kind of midweek. So be on the lookout for that. Really hope you enjoyed this video, even without third-person footage and stuff, but it's an awesome day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, as always, take it easy if it's easy. Take it twice. We'll talk to you later.